Unfortunately, what you see here is only people and companies. There are quite a lot of other entities that we actually look at. These areas of interest, education. This is quite open. We basically try to link and find links between different entities in our graph. So basically we have data and we have the context, which means we have some kind of knowledge about the project, which is not just numbers, but it's also the interconnection. And then basically we try to qualify what we found. This is basically what we mentioned. I mean, part of it is the data we get. Part of it is data we can find through our search algorithms or through our algorithms to qualify these entities, like people. Then, of course, we use our graph information and try to deduct additional links between these different entities. We look at the neighbors in a network, we look who is connected to who and what they are doing. For example, we also look at patents, if they are available, and who filed them. And yeah, then we basically train our TensorFlow instance. It's a supervised learning approach, which for now Equity Pitcher provided us with this information. And we try to make a qualification. I would like not to call it a prediction, but it's really a qualification of how well this project fits with the company. So the result is what we like to call an investor meter. You can see a couple of numbers here which correspond to what I was showing you before. So we have the prediction, we have some media buzz, we have a rating on the founders and investors, we have a rating on the company status, and we basically show you how interesting this industry could be within this particular framework. And of course, last but not least, how well it matches with our internal resources. All right. Well, basically it's the same I've already showed you, just to prove that it's not actually just a PowerPoint slide that we made up. So basically, this would be the result of this project we rated earlier. This is, it's the same project we had before, and this is one example of how we analyze these pitch decks and how we help VCs to evaluate projects, which means we can actually speed up the process so they can either analyze a lot more, take in a lot more, or be more efficient. And well, the last slide is thank you, which you've already seen. So thank you for your attention.